On 1st of October, Forest Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council seized a mobile truck loaded with illegal timber under Dongmukak Forest Range. Rajan Rongpi, ACF of Dongmukak, had been actively engaged in monitoring illegal movement and activities within their range. Likewise, under his able leadership, on 1st of October, acting upon the specific intel input from its sources, forest officials led by Samson Ingti, forester, with his staff members while patrolling at Aday Hanse village 6 kilometers away from Denarong market, intercepted a mobile truck carrying illegal timbers. It was reported that no any concerns and permit was taken from the forest department. The truck took off its journey from Jungthong and was destined to deliver the timbers at Dongmukak. Samson Ingti, forester, while speaking to us, informed that the drivers and co-passengers of the trucks fled away on seeing us. The truck bearing registration number AS24C 5401 and timbers would be seized following legal proceedings. As many as 40 kb of timbers were seized and the estimated value is Rs 30,000 if sold in an open market. The owner of the truck and the person behind these illegal activities are yet to find out.
Lapu niltum hana theklong niltum agari na theklong pen amritum driver tumang ke kat lablo. Gari pasang kau se achar pen kat lablo. Lasi agari pen long lo si responded wa gari non bang.
Gari arlo pisi long pon sana ni.
Gari arlo la bang theng pisi ke long pon. Dak emsal pu species adi emsal la si ke long pon.
Quantity bag long pon na
40 CFT bag di.
Sarpangris Ingti's report from Langhin, Dirchuna Rongpi's report from Puloni, Karbi Anglong Live.